Welcome to Thuga TV. You don't know say a boy puppet and I represent for Thuga. You don't know say push out a brand new movie and the one I call Choose One. And here I want to do now. I want to subscribe, like, share, comment. And make sure so share to all our family members them, and all our friends. So you know so we there I put in the work as usual. And whole heap more movie afford man. So stay tuned man to Thuga TV. Thuga TV to the world. Remember good.
So in your father.
You know, when you can prepare yourself for everything me I go do.
Let me tell you something. A woman job to make a man breakfast. Me not supposed to come to the kitchen, come and light no stove. You're unfair. You come here to wash, cook and clean. No, just wash plate and make breakfast.
So everything me I go get up and do, me look like a slave to you. Me look like a maid. And little breakfast you go prepare now, cause you, brother, me tired of you know. I want little breakfast and you can't do that and you come to me about it.
Yes, you're supposed to make me breakfast. You're supposed to get it warm and with a cup of coffee.
No, me alone, yeah.
Where a cup of coffee there? You don't make no tea. All of that put in yourself for no reason.
First of all, I never know if your hand name lift up under your woman. So I don't know where you come right to start come tell me. Hey.
You know what's the Mahana? The Mahana make you make money and the money buy food, feel about. So you see when you talk to me with respect and my money I spend in here. And we say, breakfast and breakfast no what I'm to you?
It makes sense to just come out and face you.
Me have to be healthy. You know when later me there in the bed, I have to turn on the engine.
First of all, if you did good in a bed, no how do wrong. But if I see a walk list, it makes sense
Sometimes you have to
do
lose
it.
the weight. Sometimes a man have to lose the weight. We have to come first.
All the time you have to come with your boring sex, so.
Yeah, because woman don't
I
know
don't
that
want
to get
a
it
new
too.
man who can know for walk me. Me tired of you know. And I see you go on me for, hey.
I want a new woman who can cook give me, so me can give me everything and come last at night time instead of come first for the hungry belly. Tell you what, I told you the way me I go. You can go and wash your plate, them yam them too. You see all the soap.
Hey, that ain't no man.
So when you plan to give me one new hairstyle?
Maybe tomorrow or such. When time I want to do it.
Brother, right now, my head fuzzy and people look on me right now, me try to do a long time. So, right now, I have 2 nights to me have to go do anyway. Tell her that too.
So yeah, chat boy, I want to hear for you tonight. You have the things in for the here?
I mean, even hand on now, what I want.
Well, we take a home up on the road go buy something because you need shampoo and such. So where so you out there now? On the road?
Yeah, we are go on the road. Going on for my job and take out some cash.
Which one I draw? The money over there, so this one, yeah?
Looking at me, go draw right there, so. Hurry up, man, hurry up.
Brother, what that?
What do you mean all of that? What you seeing there?
You have gone in a house.
Brother, what you mean say we're gonna do in our house? You know so much man me I collect money from, much extortion me I run. You know if you say one of them want to come to me. What you worry about that for?
So you mean by that not my problem? You can't have a gun in the house, brother. How if you do that? You know, say me there here. Me not stay here with this in my house. You crazy?
I mean say you can't stay if this in my place. Brother, if my gun can't stay, you can't stay. I'm telling you that too.
How me can't stay in my place?
And that me I tell you say you can't turn in your place if my gun can't there.
So we are Jim up and dealing me so far.
Me touch you.
I want me.
Yo, tap your eyes, man. Before I push something to you, that me I tell you too. Me have gun in your son, I think turn in your son too. Yo, what you cooking in your pot too?
Cook dumpling and chicken back.
Chicken back. Girl, you know some of chicken back. What kind of style that? You have to cook something different for me and I'm telling you that.
What the from morning me working?
But you work from morning, you work from morning for me. When me not do nothing in the house, girl, I'm up a keep.
You own the pan.
Girl, I'm me up a keep protected and you know that too. Look how much man want to kill me, I'm me up a keep.
But then me they want kill.
You're there with me. If you feel if they catch me, then I'll kill them. Yo, makes it different.
So we are leave me so far.
Me touch you, you see me touch you? So, you don't see how many for real though. Never put me on fire.
You don't stand me there, you put down for me, you box me in my face and shoot me down and kick me and
You never put me on fire. Girl, then you touch you again and nothing that here. I'm telling you that too. So, yo,
you can't go like that, me look for something.
where you going?
Who you want?
Where you going?
You want mackerel?
Girl, me look like dog for me and mackerel. You know, you better make beer chicken for me. You know if you like the oven.
Some of them must know feel like
So
it.
why you make chicken back if you know if you like the oven? That me a talk about. You know things that you know to do and you not do
Me
them.
don't like cayenne shrimp. Me don't like them and say,
So do better then. Me not touch you, me not lick you. Me there treat you good, me a keep you safe at night time.
You want
you
to
must never do a put me on fire, so that I know
me ask, you want the flour around me cook rice?
beef chicken.
Beer chicken alone.
The flour they ain't good.
So go on then and me look dirty.
You have half hour.
Half hour?
15 minutes.
I was a raw chicken I want for them. If I want raw chicken I want, make you raw chicken for them. No problem. My life is stressing. I can't bother. What do you think I'm going to see you by the way? I'm not saying it's a relationship. I got my parents them overseas.
When I chat up my mouth, say,
No, I saw me a look boy.
tap your eyes and hurry up.
My parents them much too big. They don't see me. I'm collected. I'm my own house now. I can't believe see you this girl. Look how long I see you. Yes. From back in our high school days, you know, my love. Come the overseas, that's why. So everything alright? Everything almost alright. Girl, you look healthy up, get fat and everything. Foreign life must look good with your man. Yeah, fast food at work. So you can give me a piece of food then? Here now. Me tell about uno Jamaicans, uno friend. As people go overseas and come back, we don't want this, we don't want that. Me just say clean, you know. I mean, the money I care about me, I just take care of some business because I'm going to go over back. You see me? So, you just have to understand that if I not don't tell mother, my father just send me some money, you know. I can't, yeah, I think. Because I say me a friend for a long time. I can't switch up on that. Yeah. So, yeah, David. No, me girl, I just go up a shop there, but you see, you don't know money to give me. So why you don't want to stay in contact with me? Take me number, my love. Sure, me don't know how you move, so. Come on. And make sure you text me, you know. Yeah, me text you, man. Alright, here. Make sure. The right number this? Of course. Later, here. Alright. Remember to text me. Me, I go text you. Kind of conversation now, so talk fast.
Where the beef stand from?
Obviously, Brittany.
But me wouldn't know that at first. Me I say so you have to tell me.
Well, I know now. So why your problem? Why you stop me?
Well, I saw me like my girl and say I'm like my girl ain't aggressive, you know. So you see me shot her 2 bucks and you say, yes baby, do it again. But
Okay.
anyway, you still can't get the number.
No.
So me can't move so with me.
Because I say I just don't like you. Get the point now?
Well, in some due time I think you like me. I don't know if I true for me and fake color and much, so that's why you don't like me.
Okay, you must be crazy. Think again, baby love. I can't just say and say, you know, say I like that and I like this and
No, but you see me that ask your number so I can get to know you.
get to know me, right? When I try to get to know me, you want to look me, right?
So you're in a relationship or you're not in a...
Well, if I tell you the truth, it's complicated and why I get all up in my business.
Because me just see her as a just nice girl and I just like to know you. Come here,
You are an investigator?
No, my spirit take you.
Oh.
I
Well, my spirit don't take you.
never choose my black and your black, so I feel like would that be a great match, isn't it?
Black and black pitney get blacker. No, please. Sorry.
But let's make the number, man, I'll start this.
Okay, I don't want to give me number you piss me, you see me? Because if I piss me, you know part that will lead to. Do not piss my phone. Don't call
Take
me.
my number.
Only text me.
Let's take my number and calm down. You see why your relationship complicated, you know?
You see why? You know, I'm not even about to give me
Calm
number.
down, man.
Sorry, hello, I beg for my number, so I come, but I feel like someone can diss me. Do
No,
not try
this.
it. I come back in after yellow teeth.
Sorry about that.
Oh, your number go. What this? So what your name? You just put in it, so what your name?
Jordan. Alright, nice meeting you. What text me do?
Have a nice day. I feel you carry that?
No, I'm not care.
So I look for people them care for.
I'm a regular chill spot, man. Don't worry about it.
Oh, like what say you could have lean up and
Okay, man, you love.
first, sorry, don't get me started in this air. Try not get me started. Crazy.
Yeah, any wheel favor.
You see you? You see you? All the good fat. I feel the on phone, not deep as sweets, and no good food in the house.
You come
Why?
back with the said foolishness again, no.
Man, we eat food, man.
You know how you can't go cook yourself.
I didn't know how to cook when I
I'm
cook.
tired of you know, I'm tired of every day you come to me with the said thing. You don't think me have feelings? Me that me right now when you come to me with this.
Let me ask you a question. Out of man feelings or human feelings, which one more better?
My feelings more important than fear. Me I put for myself first, so whatever you want to come after.
Leave me teach you something. The only way a human feelings is good for them or for me, if we say, yeah, me have feelings for you, it's when you not care my child. You don't care nothing for me, so me not no feelings for you.
You see?
So listen.
Watch your me could not care for your child long time if you did good in a bed. But you see, because you don't walk nothing, you walk with that little frozen jerk them, that's why I'm not no picking and belly
Let me
right
tell
now.
you something. You know
Ain't
what
no bother with me, no.
you see, if you
Stop
know you want to try with this eye and eye, let me teach you something now. You come here with your little me think you did rasta.
Love me and go, man.
Where you get them fake? Me
You want better with this now, man. Yeah.
Listen, let me talk. Cause remember say you I know. You come here, me think you did rasta. And when me check it out, you cook pork in my pot and me have to mash you up. Right? Then me give you a second chance. You come back, you cook chicken instead of fish. And me tell you, say, a real rasta man do not yam nothing like chicken. We don't eat nothing with salt in our food.
Listen.
And you have put salt in my food.
Listen, when me cook, you have a problem. When me not cook, you have a problem. Not when me do can't please you. What's up?
You stir up some callaloo, yo. You cook some cabbage. You see me? If you can't steam the cabbage, man, you just chop it up fine. And just stir it up with a pepper, you know, the country pepper on the tree, no eat that. Because I'm a true Rasta man. And true you are me do the things them in the bed. Maybe that I know nature for you, cause this is Rasta, yeah. Don't eat pork, mostly the raw one. You're too bright and fresh. Yeah, you see? Yeah, you look up bed and night time me a drop off of it because you far too much. Where you are? Me I left your place, you know.
But no.
Me I left your place.
Hey.
Me I left your
It makes
place.
sense, you go on now what stop your life.
I'm here beg you take out the fake jet them and top chick Rasta car, oh no.
You can't tell me what to do here. So better you go on your ways.
I wish
It's much better for me go on.
Rasta, yeah.
And you could froze it right then. You know what? I'm going to go and then I can finish this out.
You look like somebody where we talk, man, because you just stop and not talk to me, so I don't know.
Well, you say good evening, so I try to be polite, so I say back good evening.
No, I think you're just like answer and just go on by your business, but you stop still, but I see me see you in a place still, and I try to get to know you, you know. Because I say you like that in our community, I like to be good with everybody, because I want to live long, you see me?
So, and I first you see me, so what you mean by you see me in the community?
Well, yes, I community side that me talk about. But anyways, what's your name?
I'm Kitania, but everybody calls me Pet.
Oh, your name nice like I used to learn. As I said before, man, I like to get to know you, so I don't know if you could just lend me a number.
How me go lend you my number? Explain that part to me. Come in, I have sense, but that just now click.
Alright, can you give me a number, please?
No, my love.
I like to get to know you, some of the one text you and find out where you're capable of and them things there.
I know for that part.
Why?
At first, me I see you, I'm not gonna just give you my number, so.
So that me I try to explain. Come out the road. Let me try to explain. When you get a number, I get to know me, you know. You see me?
No.
Okay, so next time. Alright, take mine then. Take mine.
I don't have my phone for me, so I guess I could just get mine.
Alright. Give me. Was that so hard? Alright. Dear General.
I'm going for
Is there any family there? Alright, auntie.
Yeah, man.
Say dear.
They alone just look out as usual in the evening, you know?
Why? Go welcome one. I tell a boy come like today, I'm a lucky day, youth.
Oh.
You know, say I told Philly me about man.
Eh?
And get their number.
Where you going, man? You're top
I
dog
hope you
still
road,
for a
no.
long time, you know?
You know, say up the road, me they do a boy, and some boy did for come give me 1 5 grand. You see me, I tell up I can't wait for him. You see me, say dog give me 5 grand and now I move off and now. You see me, because that me come down the road. So before that now, I see 4 filling me wait for the 5 grand. And I get a number which say you know a relationship was complicated. You come like about a year here, man. You see me, so I tell you.
You more than know them still.
So I tell you, so I get a number. One of them I get a number.
Two of them number?
Yes, me I tell you, man. One of them will text me.
So bad dog.
And the other one when me a walk, hold on, man. The other one when me a walk away, me get her number. So me I say come like a God sends one sign daddy.
I don't understand, you know. You look 2 girls one time.
Oh, me I look 2 girls one time.
Yeah.
But post me not get through with one of them. Any one of them
You
get
just
through
show
with
out the net, so if anyone catch.
Yeah, man. Then post the first one I me get. Me get her number, me not get her. But second one, me not get her, and the first one, me get. Can't give one of them to man.
Daddy, remember, me have mine. I don't think they are getting it.
No, man, I can't take one more of them, man. I'm there, man.
Alright, if you did it, we get it.
Alright, but.
But nobody go forget me now, you know. Nobody go forget me and say, me good.
If they don't want me give them. But if they want me, I just take them.
So it depends different.
I dare me there, boy, isn't me? As me say, I want money, me go collect.
I hope me just not too long come off and say me I look out on the road.
I say me not have to really do no work, and I just stand in my yard and do my work and money come send in my food, you know.
You good, you know. You have to go out every morning.
Because if every day me get at least, every day me pick up a 5 grand, so I check up that fee week.
So.
Oh, you link up still.
That's what me know I go on with them and give me up.
Yo, I get you, man. Me know you are every day. I think you're easy, boy. Yo, you're bad for me, isn't it?
Alright, let's
see. Anti-medicine on the state. Yeah, man. Alright.
Nice man. All AC, when you are in life, you know, me love to look at AC breeze.
Me not tell you, I know that I don't current bill on that. That.
You're rich guy, man. You know, just a come from foreign.
So just because I come from foreign, you're rich. Oh, please don't be.
Anything possible?
Me don't know me that tear off.
You know, look at alcohol up my skin.
Me don't want no alcohol to burn my skin.
Well, me don't know the solution, my love.
So basically, what we talk about, you know?
Can't talk about some money what you can't give me.
Me don't tell her once, I just work for that, my girl.
You can't bother with you now, cold long you not see me.
Me feel that they change because from high school I love man money.
Whatever, so.
From high school I stop can you look at them. You know, big old grade 11 and can you look at 7 grade
They deserve it. They might learn a little life lesson, you know? They used to come out me in a 7th grade, so I don't know if I can do back. Anyways, so tell me what go on. You live life and so over foreign, you go through no struggles or whatever.
You feel like over foreign easy? It is not easy. When you're over there, so nothing no come free. And if I $10, you have to give people them their money, you see me? You can't just go over there and feel like this, that, and rare. I wish part me live a foreign every week. Every week we have to pay rent. And a month every week.
Then foreign different from Jamaica then?
Hello, when you're over there, say if you're not working on you, may I tell you? You have to walk.
So then I know the back road where you could have go?
Girl, don't do that. Me is not the same thing.
So I will say me go back road. Hey, don't fresh yourself.
Don't fresh myself. Always fresh. Let me tell you this now. So now overseas, and you work your money, you come out here, you feel nice to spend money. So when I work your money overseas and spend it over there, feel like a torture. You come like when I work money out here, you just spend it out here. That's how they feel.
I understand.
So when I understand, people go overseas, they work their money. You know, come out of the area.
You can't turn on like a AC man. You know, see all my hat.
Correct below go.
Whatever.
Me a cheap foreigner.
Whatever.
Whatever. Stay there, yeah, man. Like, you know, not good to say.
So wait then, wait. You know, say me is a girl who love my belly. So, then I look a fine snack or no look a dinner where you cook. I can't give me some dinner.
We sent the barrel from last month. And the barrel laid on already.
So, as someone say you know, say yo, you have to save some for me.
Me never bring.
Big barrel come out, not even one minute, but
it's not like me did have a number. Me never have no contact for you or anything. And from school, if feel like say I move out or maybe I did it, me never know. Me just stay.
Whatever, so you know look food can't give me because I'm hungry, no?
Me think me have water in the refrigerator.
Me say food, not water, but me work with water.
Food. What me have out there? Let me go look. You can't stay. No, please stay. Because you don't touch. And the man of fear.
Yeah, you know.
No, not that far. Come with me. Come with me. When I have more, I watch out for
You don't trust me now? You
your
don't
finger
trust
them
me.
giddy, them very jumpy. Who that? Your friend Britney. May I come? Yeah, come. Push it.
When you had me hear somebody now.
Girl, I fix me there, fix up my place.
Oh, you know, people me think I'll go food there, how you hide or something. I know you. So you up to now?
Me not up to nothing. Right now, I kind of feel depressed and stressed. Relationship doesn't come out of my girl. Come
Tell me more, what happened?
Alright, like, this boy, right? It's just stressing. He don't know nothing about relationship. He want woman and know nothing about woman. So it's like, me don't want the relationship, I don't want the relationship. But one thing I just go with it because other day, I walk on the road and nigga see me and say rate me and stuff and I take his number. Which me they play hard to get at first. You know them say they can't make boy feel they say easy to get to them. So I say no. Me just no work with him also because the relationship with me are not stressing. So
Man, my girl, post me tell us I said thing me and go through. He said God almighty thing, you know. All a nigga miss it too. I come down the road and something and he ma call to me. Play hard to get to. And that's why we are friends, you know. That's why we are friends.
no, we see.
But we say you're gonna give me another chance, guys. You
Give
give
who
yours
another
another
chance?
chance. Me I give me another chance.
No, baby love me and move on. Too much stress. Yeah, chat about me put on weight. What if I didn't see me first one time and him did that? Before me and him did that, before he stressed me out and stuff. Me get
So you
mad
say
at
they
him.
tick up more.
Tick up on this, tick up.
Jaja. You must want to come like a me now.
Trust me. A skeleton that you know.
Don't come go like you walk on this system now, you know.
But the truth, skeleton.
Well, either way.
With a little
Either
flesh
way.
overhead.
Either way, the man them love the same as them. In case you never know. Alright?
But if a slim man never look on you and say, why you
Bone to bone.
Bone to bone, gash fire. I mean, I say no. Me give the other youth a chance, but I don't want to call nobody today, you see me, because them are always a night, you know. I think we'll call them tomorrow.
I understand. Probably give me a chance too. Yeah, man. I think I'm going to give me a
How
chance.
will you be? Yeah, what?
Who, me?
Everything me do, you do. Yeah, what?
Batty Falara.
You right, because you not change. You not change at all. You not change.
Whatever. Change don't make for me, obviously.
Change in the yearbook, so you say at the end, we come over here for.
What you expect?
Me not have nothing to eat.
Me tell go back at me yard then. Because when me come over here for you don't have it, so why sense me there?
Then go on, since the food house come over here for not come over here, because you never come over here, no food not go there.
Later, yeah, man, because...
So that means you're not going to take back food through the door and throw because of food over here.
Well, maybe I have food next time.
Next time. Next time you come
Alright,
back.
later.
You have a great friend. You know, cook on here. Why if you never come from a friend, you would not pace the place, so I'm still fly all up in the place.
Just a come off for a Burger King just for me a whole even meal and something.
Well, cut off for them thing there, brother. Look how you get big. You see you get big, man.
Yeah, it's a time when
Cut off for too much oil.
I understand, yes, man, but sometimes you have to try to treat yourself, man. You see me?
You treat
So me
yourself
nah know
every
man I
night.
had for me.
Every night I say you treat yourself.
No man, every night.
Every night. When me not see I go Popeyes, when me not see I go Burger King, Little Caesars,
That-
and all of them you go.
No, sometimes I cook you know, but not every time.
Oh.
Eh?
What you say? Look?
Yeah,
Sometimes you what?
I cook.
Wait. But you know, I'm here to talk to you.
Hold on.
Boy, you cook. What call?
Maybe I come with the phone up on silent, but you pocket on your phone, isn't it? Hello? Oh, good evening. Voice sound amazing, man. Me get you? Alright, so differently do I can meet you. You can meet my regular spot. Alright, me I go out there now. Alright, love you, honey. Daddy.
Who that?
Daddy. Eh?
Who that?
Hey girl, man, Brittany.
One of them?
Yeah, man. You want me to lean up on the car? Sitting. Yo, to the one they face. Yo, is it to the one they face? Me never know say me don't get through. In that tell me say in relationship complicated, but now him tell me say man left. So me wonder if I mean left him man for, but me want here for now. Yeah man. But
So you meet up by spot now?
yeah man, to what
So
you
we
say.
can forward.
Daddy, you're good man. I want to tell daddy man.
Daddy.
You must say me ugly already daddy, so probably all me a good go up there and the girl I'll turn in mind from me and say yo what you ain't want.
What's that already?
Say, you know say like let down my street crack though. You know what
So
I get
another
the
one
girl,
of mine now.
huh? Yeah man, I feel it man. I feel it.
Alright. We don't fuck. I threw me on my phone now.
Me a link you. I want to man, me I come back here some man. Me I tell you why girl some man. Alright. Yo, me feel like me just match everything. Look, me I reach I set time. What are you doing? Can I get a hug?
Yeah, that pain.
You see, if you feel not to look pleasant, so what am I doing?
No. It's a meet you.
So what you say about me, you know, you say you left a relationship, right?
Yes, I
So you don't want me to talk about things.
Not on the road, though. I'd rather bring up in my yard. Would I like to come up there?
And this is still in about me never go and want woman yard it still in about. Me make you be first. So me forward you.
Sure?
Yeah, me forward you.
Come on then.
The family house this?
Huh?
The family house?
Well, you can say so, but this is my room.
Okay, so what make you want a man down this line? Man look like man say which man is that
No, it's my uncle. Well, I want to wash dirty dishes because... Just because
I look beautiful man, God.
So,
Nah, watch no man already, man.
come in the room.
Yeah, I'm going in your room.
Forward up.
Already, yeah.
Forward neck. It's a boy,
I
man.
thought I heard you, man. I told you I told you.
What is that smile going on up there?
Well, in here look beautiful still.
Sad.
So, what is the way to talk about?
Me
Can I sit
alone.
behind it?
Of course.
Alright, so I never did get to tell you about myself, so I'll tell you about myself. Well, as I tell you already, my name, you remember my name,
Yeah,
right?
remember your name.
What my name?
You know have to talk about remember your name.
You don't remember my name.
I remember your name, I see it on my phone.
Okay, alright. So, me I want cool youth, you see me? The work I do, like, I do editing work, you see me?
Yeah.
Edit like videos, you see me, and get money. You see me, like my work for my virgin them. You see me, so I do some hotel work, so I do vlogs and things, so I always edit them. So I always get money for them there.
Oh.
You see me?
Oh,
Yeah, 1 minute. Give me a minute. Yes, I'm your uncle.
Okay.
Alright, uncle. That was my uncle. The same I'm gonna ask me a whole person.
Oh.
So I'm, you know, interested in safe.
So as I say, me's a hard working youth, isn't me? I get paid a daytime, like every day me get 5 or 10,000 a day.
Jamaican?
Yeah, man. So, my work not really much, you see me? So,
You time hot, you want plug in your phone? Turn on.
can I do that, man? So yeah, we have parents and stuff.
Parents? Well, to tell the truth, I don't live with my parents. Parents in the overseas. Yeah.
So them build this or you build?
No, them build it. But, you know,
So you ever go overseas before?
yeah. I'm not too long come for her. Like, I tell her think of 1 week now. 1 week now. I come from overseas. Been overseas, you know.
So tell me more about yourself, no man.
Well, I'm hardworking, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everything what you near me buy it. But one thing I'm parents' house. TV, everything, the furniture, them bed. Name it all, me buy them.
Well, that's so independent still, as in because
Yeah.
my work, I'm gonna build one look at 2 room, even so. As I'm say,
So I build a 3 bedroom.
well,
Yes,
if
sir,
you get a
well,
youth in my future, you have a room for yourself or dead, let's say, even if you with them. Well, my favorite color red still, what's yours?
Pink and purple.
Yeah, but you're my favorite person now still.
You sure? Alright, if I say so, but that's not work.
So what you want to take? If you want to start a serious relationship or
Tell the truth, I am looking for a serious relationship because the last one, trust me, it never nice.
well, this one gonna be funny, isn't it?
Fantastic, exciting, courageous, and so make sure because I don't only want to hear it in words. You see me?
You'll see it in action.
Make sure I stick true to your words.
Right?
Oh no man, you just
Just like you
Just
leave them,
wanna
you leave them
sweet,
alone, turn and look on them, full of cherry.
So, well, you want it for the day or so.
Well, me da plan to get a dinner or so.
So, you want to cook for you? Or you want to buy something from the road? Understand if you know what to cook.
No man, my favorite place is Burger King still, but if you want to buy a burger, I can do it.
Alright, no problem then.
So me let us do it, okay?
Alright, do it now. Like, I'm okay, can I speak tonight?
Can I do that? Alright. Hello? Yeah. You know what's over me had me all left from door? Yeah. So where the oh yeah, they have shop. I thought I said shop where you go there, right? I'm gonna see you there right now, okay? Okay. Seems like you finally make up your mind now.
Yeah.
So, you just make up your mind so fast? I feel say from the first time you see me, I feel like say you did just rate me, but you didn't just want to give in so fast.
Honestly, I vibes you give me so far. That's everything. So.
Well, as I tell you, I have a cool vibes, you know, because as I say, I try to be cool with everybody in the community, so Which is said vibe, said way.
Okay.
But I don't know, I see I'm fall in love with it still. Because I know me will make it out.
No understand. So,
You have your name on your chest. Same someone you put mine on your chest. Smile beautiful though.
thank you.
So you want to walk and finish talk?
Come on.
Walk and talk.
I saw me again, no? I go so.
No man, don't worry about that man. We can go back so off. What's your favorite color by the way?
Green.
Well, mine is red.
That's nice. But I like it.
Why?
I don't know, I'm just looking for something.
So if you don't like red, you don't like it.
Or red, not really describe it.
No, you know, describe me, but like, me love everything me love in red. So maybe if you go buy clothes for me, you not go and choose that because you don't like it.
No, but I'm not going to be selfish. So, like, I'm not going to say red your favorite. I'm going to see something and go say, oh, you see red in color. So, yeah, I go get in red.
So, what kind of work you do?
I'm not really at work still. In the process of taking a job.
Oh, so what is the age? Can anybody get sick? Find out that from you still.
17.
So which school you attend? You usually attend it. You know say me normally go Green Island to sure. I mean I try remember if you normally go there to me I try to make out the face. But I sure know say there you normally go.
You sure about that?
Yeah, you can't trick me, I know there you go.
Alright, so.
Are you right? See? You know.
Well, you remember me, but me not remember you, honestly.
Well, I'm good with faith, as I say. In everything, I try to be good. Never be bad.
So we can just call a red guy, right?
Red guy,
Call it your favorite color. So.
that's what I call it. Green girl.
No, you're going to make me arm green. You can't do.
So, what else do you want to know about? Oh, man, I'm here for you can't run. You can't run, you have to run.
No, but me feel like this. Brittany.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Listen. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, can we reach that means something?
No, I saw France and whenever I said I never tried it. No, I'm not book enough. No, I go out and stay. Look at my refrigerator. Because in the day, you're still not cook. But if not, India, we just have some juice and the juice. So, what are you doing? Let's cook on sit down. What I make sound.
I can't get none of your dinner done.
And I did a display of breakfast with a dog.
Whatever, when I dinner time, I can't get dinner.
Nah, cook it. If me cook, make out. If me not cook, I don't forget me not cook. No.
But in case you cook, you have to cut.
Not even remember.
So, you remember the guy I'm talking about yesterday? And he said that big weird boy, I can be calm and get to him or something, you know, to talk and work out things.
But you know, no. We get to the same boy I said we about the link today. See? So, everything up on everything right? Because we don't want
What's your home? Well, I just feel the vibes with my guy. I'm planning to link up soon, so.
So,
I think I run an afternoon in my forward, so.
So me can't stay till then.
Who?
Me can't tell you.
You must not hear right now. So, you're not change a bit from high school days. If me go on a little date with somebody, you want each up behind them. Yeah, no. Look here, the first time, me and you want link up like that, and me don't want you spoil me. And me want to see that the two of we. So, you're not right now.
Oh, you know, say no want to see me too.
No do that.
I'm matter of fact, everything you talk about back in high school days, that's then, that's now is now.
Look here, me not away there.
Well, let's see, because we can't take the machine. We just
Go on, yeah.
go on my yard.
Alright, best thing. Later. Alright, have a nice day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let me get shot at that one.
But I want to reach here so early and I'm saying afternoon in a phone.
Well, to be honest, I go 8 there last night, so I right now I'm tired. So
Enjoy
I just get up from early and say, oh, can't manage to grow on the stove, so if I can look if I make breakfast anyway.
Welcome to right time. Well, what happened there?
I mean, I'll just take long to come in and put my own on, come in right there.
Look here, follow this and said that. So
Well, I'll go though.
when I call the reach, you make me put more sachets in my pocket.
Okay. I'm going to tell them. I need to put the finger in the case of my body. I don't want to get hurt, you know.
Alright.
One thing though, I like how you're active though, you know.
Yeah.
Get up and run a pot early morning.
Me that
So,
I must say.
man, I put my wife position now.
Then the most the wife material we are talking about. Alright.
So, last night, I did thought in my mind that's around points, so like me, so I can't wait for morning to come to see it.
Enjoy the party though.
Yeah, man, my friend name all of vibes, you know.
Oh.
But time hot, go over hot than what. Hey, you want to hear with her? Or you good? Okay. Come to helpful man, you know.
Again?
Nah, just for me a big shape, but I can't help myself, you know. Yeah. Let's go and sit down and wait for me. I'll take a car fan with there.
Alright. Stop calling. Sure. Again, so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I check my phone now?
Thanks.
Can I get this phone?
I want man that takes in a car.
No man, not this.
Or if you get mud in that place, you know.
I saw the text and reply to you.
You have jeans?
Yeah.
Thanks. And then I kitchen, we should have sit down and eat the food and run the dining table. That's better, more than not really practice to eat food in a room. Room where you sleep, you know. And sex, you know, not eat food in a room.
Cause a couple things up on the table still, that's why.
I'm good, man. I tell you if you like to go away, though. So, I'm not going to anything right for you to do. Alright, so.
Food tastes bad, don't you?
breakfast, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like, you know, one thing we cook for me. Before that, General. Yeah, so far, next 5 minutes. Alright. General called me back and said when I done editing something kind of he want them to know. Sometimes the next 5 minutes I work on.
So you finish eating in the next 5 minutes?
No, me let someone come back, man.
What's up?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, the important breakfast. I did all buy a while ago for myself and come say a breakfast. I'm just bad about it, man. I know how you feel and I know your breakfast. Where I put from
If you want to sugar for me.
okay. Thanks. Yeah, man, good, man. One thing I like, I have to take care of myself. I'm afraid if I'm waiting up and doing breakfast. Breakfast indeed, huh? Very fun to be in our day.
So I clean out the house and ready to prepare the food.
Okay, so you want more to clean.
Okay.
Like, I have to put me in our kitchen then, you know. Try to sleep out in our room. So, you want to dinner? You want a curry chicken, right? Yeah, we can't get the extra for nothing. So much for and chicken and all after a while.
Well, you must send me
Can I break over to?
food.
Alright, so I'm going to go and clean up and say, okay.
You know, so we think we're going to come and shop with you. Think we're going to come and shop with you.
Think you can stay and clean?
We can't do that when we come back. You want to come here?
No, you want to go walking?
Yeah.
Alright, then no problem. You come up, we can finish sleep out in here too. So red. So I get the umbrella also.
No, like it.
Man, it up, man. Yo. What? Yo, me a forward now, me a forward. Me have to go here right now, emergency. My brother just called me and tell me saying, mother, I go hospital, emergency. So, me check you back here.
Alright.
What's up? Well, go on. You just a roam the street, so I mean, my boy did a walk in and he just missing by tip. I mean, the way when you meet him. Well, good for you, because you see, as I left up on my man come up there and make him breakfast. And you see, you turn bad door and you hear me did I ask you for food. You couldn't even say, stay one little bit. No, look here. Get some. And my man that is, you know, so I have to deal with him good and proper. Yeah, my friend, but me know say things you had to eat, so you have to come on me. So wait, you're going to put your man over me where you know longer than years so far, man. But it seems like say food alone and know me for money and them stuff there, because every time I see me, if I want food, you want money, you want this. Alright, done now, done. Me a come go shop. Alright then, have a nice day. Yeah.
I feel like to go home, baby. No, I'm running behind. Very scared about him.
I didn't even call out my name. Your friend, I mean?
I'm sure if you see that somebody can come in under the door, if you always close.
I guess. I one time alone, my feet open and I like say regular thing.
So, how is the morning?
Fine so far, I don't really kind of miss it throughout the night.
Well, I did miss it too still, but you know, just listen back some advice from what them you send me on the phone and then put me to bed, you know. And the advice was nice.
It's nice. So, what's up?
I'm here, I just miss him, I just come over here and chill with you. What's the breakfast?
Just
right?
come chill. That's why I come over here for.
What you want to fix?
I could have never let alone come over.
I gave last night and I gave in the morning and you want one in the morning. Oh, you love the right show.
Something like that.
Like you love enough for the year and then something like that.
Yeah, say that, of course.
Oh, that was good.
Very. Right now, I'm sore.
Think more give another round though.
Oh.
You?
No, me alright.
So, yeah, but you don't love sex then?
I love it, but it paying too much. So, no, I'm not feed you.
What do you mean, no, I'm a feed you?
Because I'm sore up. You're going to sore up more than
You
I'm
sore up?
Yes.
That's easy, you know. I think they love sex, you know, love him. Sometimes I'll 3 times feed him what I want to eat.
So, 2 not enough.
But I want this now, so that's why if you want it down.
Tomorrow.
I'm going to take a wash off and then go back on the road. So, what you want to eat? Yeah, something in the kitchen here, I'm going to get something for you.
Can I make some cheese patty and go for bread?
Some? What do you mean, some?
2. 1 for me and 1 for you.
Oh, yeah, I think I will leave you to have for yourself alone.
No, I can always consider you.
Okay. Alright, so come. I don't want to let you go. Alright. Make sure you lock your door in.
Alright.
No, the man coming up on here, you know. Me alone to control the body there. Long time I don't worry about him, so tired of. But anyways, do. I want to say first, me I sleep all money and do. Yeah, first woman ever sleep at the end.
For real?
For real. Yeah, alright, what's that? They always say there is a first for everything, you know. And as me tell you, I never go on woman yard it. You see me? Woman always come to my yard, because people are frigid. So more I have to watch yard. Sometimes a woman care go in the yard. If you hurt her, you know. Man come in. Because some of the women will tell us that they single, you know. When I look at man, I come. You see me? So, I just hope you know one of them woman there.
Hello.
So far, well, man, so far, I don't see you have the personality there.
Okay.
I hope you carry that. You see me? And not change your personality. Come rate you. You see me? Although you're miserable and feisty. But when I do that, when I get feisty upon me.
So yeah, call me miserable.
When I get feisty upon me, I just turn up on the back and I know say you're good.
So man.
But listen me I say, man here if you stick out forever. Come rate you like that. Get me I say.
Alright.
When I then there, I make you meet my family.
Hopefully.
You know, so me I have to drive in a big Benz.
Soon.
So you feel ready for round 2?
I have something to do with my kitchen.
And then you lock the door.
No.
And I make no listen me say lock the door. I tell you then say I not trust people. You know?
So what do you want to do?
No, close the door. I don't trust people. I don't want nobody coming in.
Nobody now come
No,
here.
lock
and
the
mind
door.
business.
No, me have a privacy. When I come in, the door must lock. You
Look
have to
here. Now look about something in my kitchen first.
Me I go Me I go, me not like them sitting here, man.
Me I deal with something in the kitchen and I'm hungry and I just wake up.
No, me I look.
At least me I be a good woman. I look about something for you
Well,
to
listen, me
eat.
I tell you, me not. You see, what happened to me in the past make me afraid. You see me?
So
One
me-
time me da go a woman yard, you know. A good thing me never enter.
Don't
you
let
know.
a man run.
No,
Say
listen, me
never
say a
got
good
money
thing me
yet.
never enter that me say. You see me? As me go there so, I want a man me say turn up there so it want shade so. I mean I say till so me no want the door to pull. Me no want him not your
So
man
yeah,
come
check.
here
No,
come.
yeah, check. You say me have a man. That I try to say. Obviously, I let you check. If you don't trust me, you can go if you want to go. I mean, I hold on for nobody.
You see,
I would
you're
argument for
feisty.
between the two of we.
Your face there, that me I try to tell you.
And you face it because you come and chat about this and that and boy I got your yard.
You look about some breakfast, you know, please.
No, that me there go do. Someone, me don't like your style. I know, I don't want to talk to you. Don't deal with me.
Alright then, me I come. Because
No
since
problem.
I don't know how me deal, I know you look about it.
Okay, no problem. You can go here. Me not run or anything. I see how I come so. You do it up.
I'll come out here, please. No hold on, shop.
Alright. You're miserable black match about this.
Morning.
Hey, puppy, how you doing? You just walk in so that you knock our call. Walk, go on.
Sorry for that, man. You know, say I show me no say. Thuga normally sit down there hall, man. So I come right there door, I'm see him, so I don't feel the plan.
Well, you know the board, you don't see him for a man. You don't know where he's gone.
God, no.
What happened now? What happened? What you want to talk to him about?
Something I don't reason with him, but man, I'm not reason about from other day.
So, something we can talk about. You want to talk about it?
Yeah, man, I can't talk to you, man. I think you're bigger than me. I think you're big man. I think you have a better advice to give me.
Okay, spill your bean.
You know what I'm saying? I fall in love with 2 girls, and I really and truly don't know which one of them to choose. 2 of them are cook for me, clean, wash everything, take care of me, spend money. You see me, anything more, they give me same thing with them, anything they want me give them. But now, I feel like more make up my mind to choose which one of them I must take. Because I don't want to break none of them heart.
Bad puppy.
The worst thing, you all live in one community, so I don't want no like, you know, me one of them will go out and the other one see our
Jealousy.
friend go talk or say anything. So I try to choose.
Boy, puppy, you put yourself in a tight position. It's a hard one, but you have to follow your heart. Which one you love, which one you think you love the most. You have to deal with the one where you love the most because love conquer everything, you know. And if they play around with two girl pitney, you know, nice because jealousy. And next thing you say, then go fight one, go kill one go stab up one and all there's something there. And you can't put your mother through them something there. And you can't go through them the stress. The whole heap of stress that you have by yourself. So you have to go let go one of them. My advice is 2 of them good to you, 2 of them nice to you. Talk to them and make the 2 of them know, say, you know, you have to go change up your lifestyle and make the one where you love know say you did talk to the girl before she, but you love she the most, so you have to cut off everything, every communication with the other one, and you want her to be peaceful about it. Don't build any argument or any fuss about it because you don't want no, you don't want no yege and them things there. So you have to be careful too, because some of these women to them vicious, and I think that name jealousy is very dangerous, you know. Jealousy lead to death. So my advice is follow your heart and talk to the one who you love and cut off the next one. It don't bring a hard feeling, but you have to do the right thing and you have to do it from now. Don't wait till it's too late. Because what if you get the two of them pregnant? What don't happen? But I want to smash a law again, you know. You can't do things so. So I don't know if my advice will help you, but I hope it do. I hope you follow it.
Miss Jennifer, you know, say I want good advice that you give me. And right now, everything does have me frustrated. Me not value a decision. I don't know which side to turn, why I say do, because I don't want none of them hurt me. So, as I say, I don't want a sticky situation. So, as I say, I just have to choose which one I love, but the part they still confuse me. Because I love the two of them, I don't know which one of them I love more than. So, I wonder if I just cut off the two of them or, I don't know, I think only for something right now.
There is no way you can love two people one time in that condition. You're infatuated with one and you love one. There's no such thing as you loving two girls one time. Believe me. But what I can tell you this again too. When you know go per country, go spend 1 3 months and clear your head, and then you will see who call you the most, who show more interest when you're gone. And then you make your choice from this or then. Because sometimes when you're gone for a little while, you know, people change. You understand? So you take 1 3 months up a country, man, and go chill out and clear your head, and then you see who is with you. And then you follow your heart from this. So that's the best advice I can give you right now.
Thanks to the one that really care my mind a bit. I think that me have to do. Just go up there and say which one of them really care about me, then from this so I choose. So that me have to work with.
Alright, pick me. Take care of yourself and be careful.
Yeah man, no problem.
Alright?
Alright, and tell Thuga to call me second.
Alright, you tell him when you come for
I'm sorry about that for walking.
Yes man, you're alright. You always have manners anyway, so take care. Alright? I'm gonna get up and go fold up some clothes and now too and something. So what good you here?
Always have to come over here.
Sometimes my friend come over here.
You know if you ask about you going like you have other somebody to come over. Let me alone to come over here.
My friend always come over here, the girl there when you something there. Remember her name?
Anyways, you know say me I run out of place too. If you have a period at time, I'm not sure how long still, but me keep it updated on the time when I spend out. You see me? So me contact you later and talk to you and so. I'm just go up on the countryside and I go spend some time with the family.
So how long you going to stay?
As me say, I will keep you updated on how long I will be there.
So you're not sure what time you come back or when you come back?
You know you hear me say all that, though.
Me hear what you say, but you don't understand.
So why you ask me back a question again?
Never mind.
You know like people ask me stupid questions.
You know something like that style though?
Well listen to me I say do. I'm not so strap up like that, but I'm going to let you with 40 grand. You see me?
That means you're not come back for now then. If you're dealing with 40 grand.
Suppose me I go spend a 1 week. You know want a little change. You have your money still, but as a man, I just have less money said we. Just calm down yourself. I understand say you have a miss me.
So when you go today?
Yeah, I'll check out that place.
Are you calling me on the appointed time?
I never nothing plan. I just get a call from
mother. Your mother?
Yes, and she tell me say she want me come spend a good time with her. So I just go over spend some time.
Do I do?
So like you not appreciate what I say.
Well, I understand say your mother you forgot your mother and stuff, but I feel the way say you go, but I have to understand the fact say you have to go.
One thing me can tell you though.
One thing you
Just
can tell
don't
me
make no
what.
man enter in a say, you know. Cause if a man enter through you, so me know them a enter in this. And me no want to fist you over.
Fist over who?
Me no watch you know. Me no
Only
woman
man
beater, you
enter
know.
this a place here are you
Listen
and
me
the
now.
family
Me say me no
member.
woman beater, but if you give away front, me will fist you down.
Go on, let's go on.
So you know give me a hug, you know listen. Come like you know want to give me a hug. Me know say you not happy but give me a hug. Alright, so take care of yourself here. So listen me I say now. The money, you know me pin already. You see me? And my card there. So that's the right. I have an NCB here, so just do it there.
So it's kosher.
Or you want me to take your time and try and come back or
No, I can't
deal
do
with
this
it,
here.
deal with it. Alright, later.
Later.
Yeah.
So I'm not going on here anymore.
So who are you the day before me come?
What?
Who are you the day before me come?
You forgot somebody did have somebody before you?
I'm saying not time now, so call me myself. If you get up now and say I go over your mother overseas because sweat or 1 week, I can't copy. So when I go somewhere, don't
Because
stop me.
overseas me gonna make money. Where you gonna make money?
Don't try this system. Yeah?
You're getting me wrong. Look here. Video this is mother.
Ideally.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me there boy, so me I come check it dog. Boy, I'm not happy for another day, you. I might not tell you. When I sit down and me I reason them mother and she give me a great idea dog. Cause me, so I just forward for show you how me I go through in a life.
Boy, you know, some mother ain't give me a preview, though, but you may not wait for to give me a update for what I go on. You see me? So, tell me how I go on.
Boy, if you tell you the truth, you know say, you want me from the time and I say, yo, why me I go date two girl if that's no one problem. Should I listen to you, my dog, but I never did do it. You see me, so right now I'm end up in a sicky situation where I didn't even know which one of them to choose because I love the two of them. You see me? And I'm tired for you spend big money on the two of them. The costing, because when I get me editing money at daytime, I have to spend it on them. I not really take care of myself again. Because I have to put food at the house there, food at the house there, clothes at the house there. You see me, cost so I reason them mad about it, you see me. Because I didn't want just left one of them or just left it two of them then. You see me, but your mother tell me say yo, better me just go up a country, you see me, up where I come from and just chill out and something, you see me, so I can free my mind up there and know what I for me to do when I come down here. If I just left it two of them or you see me, or I come down, I say which one of them check up on me most. When I up them, I say which one of them check up on me most. Then me see which one love me. Then me choose and this. So that me I do man, you see me, I jump out in the country in the evening. One of my dog, I give him some gas and left me, so in the day I go. You see me?
Well, you have to just do what you're doing and just know, say, yo, I just life. Yeah, starting advice from the starting. And make you know, say, yo, you can't throw out your net and if you catch two girl one time. You see me? But you live and you learn. And you're going to learn, you know, so better you just do what you do. You go a country and just sort out what you sort out. Clear your mind in a same period of time when you're up there. You see me? So the day I go on easy still on the block. So just do what I do and stay safe on the road. You see me? And safe travel. You see me?
Yeah, man, I hold you for respect again, man, you see me? So, me keep you posted, my father, me call you, you see me?
Alright, I see
So, make
you
your
around.
mother know so me I take the advice and me I should about, you see me?
Ah,
So, the next 3 months or 2,
yeah.
or maybe a month time, I don't know still, but, you see me? Hello. I'm back in a place, you know. What you want to do for me? Because time when I'm upset, you know, then I value a decision. You see me, so. Just stop link me bamboo tree. Yeah, we place I made it carry a day, I made it strong and a cool out. Just link me this right now. Alright. Kid. Yeah, me have one emergency, you know. No. I come back in a place, man, but I come from last time, I just know you want to call, I just say I 2 minutes want to call it, so. Just come link me a bamboo tree. Yeah, you know, here, please. Alright, right now. Yeah. So, somebody has a fault, so that's what you're trying to say.
What do you mean by somebody else a forward? What happened, I say?
As I say, that's what you're trying to say. When a person come, we have a conversation.
Well, one girl. There, you know. So, what's your day so you call me?
Alright, so I finally make up my mind and now to talk and stop hide things in the dark. I feel to make everything come out in the light and all.
That's a
So,
question.
hold on now.
Where you talk about?
Hold on. When me tell you say, me I go country, go up there because
Tell
I go in
Uno.
the valley of decision. So, this is my girlfriend and this is my girlfriend.
What? What?
So, hold on now, listen me now. So, I'm going in the valley of decision when we go to town. See me? So, make up my mind and I feel like say, I just want to end the relationship with one another. When I go to country, one person show me interest and call for me and check up on me every day and I shoot. You wanna do that. I feel like you did love me. You see me? I get trapped in this situation and I try to take out
So,
myself.
wait, what you trying to say? You going to put she over me that you trying to say?
No, I know that me I try to say, that me I say.
Hey. So, why you giving them the idea? Please don't raise your voice.
So, you know no one in that?
She is my best friend from school days. And I can't believe you do me this.
You don't understand. I say, I get trapped in this. The time when me and you start to talk, me and her did a talk. You see me? So me get trapped. So I just work with it and have it on. But now I just feel like say more just any and just have one person. And I choose you because I say you will rate me more. I love it too on you know. But I say you will rate me more. Because when I go up say come like you know business boy me like another man a dig out the belly or something. I'm left 40 grand with you. And they come like another man you spend a pan. I'm left 40 grand with you. Open another man you spend a pan. So hope the choice for me. Hold on.
40 grand will give me, it don't the said way.
Hope the choice for me I make right now, me not choose wrong. So hope when me I choose you now was in the bun. So as me say, me I don't say you can leave her now.
Hey. Look here, me tell you this now, ma'am. Me notice say every man of me have in a school days, you take them. And in the future that you do to not show to me, your best friend, not show. Every man me ever have. You have involved in
Look, yeah, it makes sense to just shut up right now.
I want to break
You
you
know,
right
call on the phone, please.
No,
I'm
no,
going to summer run
You ready?
Hello, listen.
You ready?
Hello.
Come
I
now.
got to hear come on and check out my
Come
career.
now.
Bad game,
Hey.
Listen. Me now go make a ton of a family with my wife, you know.
Okay.
So
Why
I say me and you
Why
done.
I move from girlfriend to wife now?
Right
Listen
there,
me
because...
listen now.
Hey,
Listen
yawa.
me, me and you done
Yawa.
so just go on home. Just go on home now.
You
we
not
done.
go end, so you hear me and tell you nah end so.
Hey,
Watch
no.
me and you,
I will
watch me
check,
and
I will
you pull
check,
over here.
check,
Watch me
man.
out now.
Yeah, check me, man. I want to the skeleton,
Watch
girl,
me
man.
out here.
Girl, go put a little pressure and come again, girl. Yeah. They like you have a dainty body like me. Look at you.
Take a thing down.
I want to take this up. You see how you?
Come on.
Waiting me.
Listen me now.
Look.
Listen
Come
me.
on.
Calm down yourself. Come in never there to make this a side time.
If I don't want to make the chance to leave then, because I don't mean. If I want to leave, me leave, I'm choose to stay. So if I don't want me, just go on away, brother. Because
we
I'm
are
not
going
better
so
to
far.
stay in my life. Because I'm angry about the situation. Express I'm not angry about the situation. And she had this me like say this and brother, right now, yo.
Come on, come on. Just come on, man.
You see you?
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Mama, come here, man. Mama. I'm getting you work a long time. I look here. You see a bad man here, like, but I have no people. Now you look so. I'm here. So, how me I chat to you now? And so, this thing, Mama, you look, you see, you even have to pay extortion, you know, man. But see, I'm running ground, you know. I rob people, you know. Fling money for girls scream to you, know that.
I don't think I'm not talking, you know, because my man Joseph.
Your man just left you. I hurt you. Mama, look for me good. David and my name, my dog KIERA'S made cheaper than thing on this phone. Any boy do that, money dash them in fear in no time. Believe me, man.
So you say you can't deal with him then?
Can't get rid of him, me not deal with him, man. Anything I want to do, just make it be known.
Alright then, so if you do that, you have a 50% chance of doing it.
If me do that, me have a 100% chance, or else you go in a problem too.
Anyways, let me tell you. You know a little short youth when you name Rajay?
Rajay.
Uh-huh.
14,
One little black dude, man. Face bumpy and him body all bigger than it.
Me don't know about man body, but me can run
What?
program and find out how.
All him belly hang over so.
So?
Yeah. Once you see him, you have to notice him and he walks so.
Then really.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Which part of Rajay live?
You made down the road there, you know.
This a place, I'm
Yeah.
running ground, man. We make 2 calls tonight and find out how. So by tomorrow, Rajay gone with the fish there.
I like the sound of that.
I love the sound of that.
Alright, take my number so when you leave the job.
Bring your number in, please.
Alright,
So what you name, by the way?
Kate.
Ket.
Mm.
Alright, Ket, you have been like a pet.
Later.
Alright.
Huggy, warm to you.
We don't even want to talk about him.
What do you mean? You have to talk about what's going on.
So this morning, I get a call saying, you find puppy dead.
What? Where? How? What happened?
You like when a girl and they talk to send somebody to go kill him.
So are they shooting?
They stab him.
Oh my God. I wonder how your mother got through with this.
No.
So they identify the body and everything? So the same girl they went and talk to me about the other day?
Two of them, he talk to him, he come to me and say, come to you and talk to him.
Wait, now let me see that, my foot there weak. Oh my God. No, this is not fair. It's not right. It's
So
not
I tell
good.
him, say, can I talk to 2 girls one time? I talk to him and say, don't talk to 2 girls one time. I'm saying just a throw it in it, anything catch. And the 2 girls, them been fall in love with 2 of them.
I feel it to my heart. Oh, this is not right. They kill little puppy. Oh my God. Alright, Thuga, take it easy. Hey,
Let you know if we can manage.
you have to stay strong for him still. You have to stay strong for him. You have to, because you go check your mother already.
I know, because she kind of sick too. So I don't go and tell her so fast.
But it better than, when something like this happens, better than tell you more than hide it from, because if you hide it from you, worse when you hear her story. Yes. So you have to go around to go look for her and talk to her and find out and make me know what's going on.
Alright.
And all of that, because, oh God.
I'll go around there, yeah?
You don't hurt me.
Tell
Oh
her what
God.
going on there if you find out.
Puppy really gone?
I know me can't believe.
Oh my God.
Now yesterday me and him talk. I ain't say everything good, man.
The
Go check
one
the girl,
friend
man.
gone. Oh God, you miss me picnic. Hold up.
Yeah, hold on,
Hold up,
man.
yes. Alright, fine out. Keep me up to date. Let me know what's going on, alright?
Alright.
I forgot to take 2 pin and go lie down later.
Oh, you reached the end of the movie, yeah. So, as you can see, it was a good one. And for the bad audio, for in a one clip or one scene on here, sorry about that, but we are working on a mic still. If you don't really want to get a mic speedy, contact the number up on the screen. And if you have any donation, you just contact the number up on the screen and make you know what go on, or we can make things work and support each other. You know what I mean? So, give thanks to the movie and thanks you watch it to the end, and just remember to leave a comment down below as Puppy Dan said, and like, share and subscribe, because the whole movement is just one team and one dream. Alright.